Okay, I'm trying to just comprehend what we got at the shop for the giveaway, and there's gonna be some freaking amazing things going out for the Bonanza, because like, and then every single one of these, like season 3, all the purple ones, like this is S3, all the silver ones. Like there's so many cards here. It's freaking insane. Like this is all the purple ones. There's like 50 cards in there, and there's multiple sets of that. I don't think they were lying. I don't think Berg was lying when he said this is a lot. I hope you guys are ready for the Bonanza, because this is just one thing that we're giving away. Just one. There's still 13 other companies already signed up. We're giving stuff away, and there's a lot more to come. Like this is crazy. Like it's wild. It's freaking wild. Jesus.